Today we're going to learn the sine rule. Sine rule states A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, which is equal to C over sine C. Or we can flip it. Sine A over A is equal to sine B over B, sine C over C. So remember, these are variables, it can change. Use the first equation when finding a side and the second equation when finding an angle. That's one example. So we have to calculate the missing sides. So first we label our triangle. If you don't know how to label triangle, see this video above. So let's find the missing angle, which is A. And angles in a triangle add up to 180. So A will be 180 minus 100 plus 27, which is 53 degrees. Now let's use the sine rule. We substitute all the sides and angles that we know. And now we need to find E. So we don't need to use the whole equation to find A. We're just using the path with A and the variables that we know. So we use A over sine 53 is equal to 34 over sine 100. So we make A the subject of the formula. So A will be equal to 34 over sine 100 multiplied by sine 53 over 1. We use our calculators and we get A is equal to 27.57 meters. Let's use the other part of the equation. 34 over sine 100 equal to C over sine 27. So C will be 34 over sine 100 multiplied by sine 27 over 1. Use our calculator. So C is equal to 15.6.